In this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can add a green screen to YouTube Shorts and then how you can add an image or a video behind you. So what you want to do is first open up YouTube. So you're opening up the default YouTube app here. So once you're on the default YouTube app, at the bottom here, you'll see a plus icon, which you can then click on. And then here it's going to ask you to either upload a video, or if we want to create a short, which we do, you want to just swipe to the right or click on short. And then here you can see here I am. Now from here, we want to make sure the camera is front facing camera. Right now it's obviously on me. It may just be on the backwards facing camera. So go ahead and click on the two arrows and that will flip it to the front facing camera. Now from here, you want to click on the downwards arrow on the right and that will open up all of these effects. And here we can go ahead and click on green screen and that will essentially create a green screen. Now this effect is going to be dependent on your lighting and kind of like what you've got in the background. If you wanted to make this better, you want to do this at a flat wall or even a proper green screen. Then here at the bottom here, you've got your green screen videos that you can put behind it. You can add a video or you can add an image. So I'm just going to go ahead and choose this image. And you can see we've now got an image of an airport. And you can go ahead and pinch and drag to adjust yourself and move yourself wherever. And then you can create the video. And yeah, that's pretty much all you've got to do. You can go ahead and record with this big red button, and that's how you can use the green screen effect on YouTube.